Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Lol.
Bonjour, hi.
Hi, can I get 20 nuggets please?
20 nuggets?
Yeah.
Would you like any sauce on the side?
Take sweet and sour and barbecue please.
Sweet and sour and barbecue? Yes.
Yeah, that's it.
That's all?
Yeah.
Your total will be $12.87. You get a that's $15.
Thank you. Oh, 20 nuggets is $12? I thought 20 nuggets was 20. I thought it'd be $1. I thought it'd be $1 each. Take my money. I think he's training. Thank you. Alright, time to go to the next McDonald's. That's a good thing. It's so hard. Hi, can I get 30 nuggets, please?
20 nuggets?
30.
Okay, what's your sauce in there?
I'll take sweet and sour barbecue and hot mustard, please. Can I also get 1 medium root beer? Yeah, and a medium strawberry fritz.
Okay.
And a turkey cheeseburger. Can I get 1 cheeseburger as well, please? Yeah, that's it. Thank you. I didn't see how much that was gonna cost. The sun was. I don't even think she clicked it. It's the cute girl. I think her name's Lisa. Hi, Lisa. That's my cousin. Hi, Ate. Hi. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, it is Lisa. Oh, she's such a cutie. Thank you. Is that all? Yeah. Alrighty, let's go. Let's park. Thank you for 100 subscribers. So, in celebration for 100 subscribers, I wanted to do a 100 nugget challenge, but then I realized I couldn't finish 100 nuggets, so I thought that would be a waste. So instead, I decided to do 50 nuggets. We'll see how that goes. So 1 nugget is for 2 of you. 2 of you will share a nugget, okay? Okay, we got 50 nuggets here. And me being socially anxious, I ordered it from 2 different McDonald's. So yeah, and we ordered a cheeseburger for variety because I get tired of eating the same food over and over. So maybe when I get tired of the nuggets, I'll have a bite of the cheeseburger. I'm gonna start with sweet and sour sauce. First bite. I just ate 2 of you. No, but for real, thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers. I never thought that I would actually reach 100. 100! Oh my god, thank you guys so much. I remember reaching 2 subs, I was so excited. So thank you. I hope I don't get tired of nuggets after this. Switch sauce. Switching over to barbecue. It's so many people. 100 people watching me. Like, that's... Wait, let me just finish. 100 people is more than the amount of people that can gather in some places indoors these days. So, that's crazy. Oh my god. Last one in the box of 20. Can you see it? Hello. That's for you. Eat it. Eat it. Don't be stubborn. Woo! 20 down! I'm not feeling tired yet, so like I just want to keep going. Because I think the longer I stop, I'll be like, eh. Next 20. Oh, these are warm. Okay, I'm gonna have hot mustard sauce. Whoa, Optimus. Transformers, robots in disguise, eyes. It's super strong. Like, I don't remember it being like this. Oh. Yeah, it needs honey. You want it? You want it? It's so good. Oh my god, please, I want to finish all these 50 nuggets. We got a cheeseburger. What? Why? I want to drink, but if I drink my root beer, I'm gonna get so full. I don't know how, like, those Korean mukbangers, they drink soda right before they have their big meal. I'm like, what? How? Are you guys okay right there? I'm sorry I'm eating in front of you like this. You want some? Here, have another bite. Wow. Dude, I'm full. No, I'm not. I am not full. I'm tired. Oh my gosh, we almost finished this 20. Okay, you know what? Just finish this 20 box. Finish. I'm really getting full. Do I risk and take a drink? Oh my god, I'm tired. This is all for you. Tell me, what's your favorite thing at McDonald's? If you even eat McDonald's. I usually order, if I'm feeling chicken, I'll take the Seriously Chicken BLT with crispy chicken, trio. Oh yeah, here in Quebec we say trio. I think outside of Quebec y'all say meal. So we get a trio. Makes sense. You get 3 things. Right? My second go-to, the quarter pounder BLT trio. And my drink would be root beer. We got 2 nuggets left in the box of 20. But we still got that 10 piece. Yeah! Fini. On to the last 10. We're in the last stretch. Excuse me. Dude, I'm so full. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna drink now. And every time I bite a nugget, I'm gonna drown it with root beer. Oh no, that just made it worse. Like every time I drink, my stomach like, okay, done. I love root beer. ASMR. I'm so sorry. That was so mean. Sorry guys. By the way, I don't even think I've ever introduced myself, only because most of my subscribers are my friends. But my name is Leia. Hi! Thank you for subscribing. Last nugget. Okay, wait, 2 bites, right? Because it's 2 of you. So, okay, first bite, sweet and sour. Last bite, barbecue. Cheers. Click. Well, that is all, folks. I've just finished eating 25 nuggets. Probably a little more or less 25. Alright, that is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And most of all, thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. And if you're wondering how it's pronounced, it's Miss Leia. Miss short for miscellaneous, as in I make different kinds of videos. But yeah, thank you. See you next week. It's not sponsored. I